All right, we'll work out this warm up. Part 1, write a while loop that uses the given string variable str to print this, cat. So I'm going to write cat 0, 1, 2. So what we want to do is do a substring call with the number 2. That'll give us a t. And then we want to do a substring call with the number 1. That'll give us an at. And then we want to do a substring call with 0. And that'll give us cat. So we can do that with a while loop. You'd say int I equals 0 and say while I less than str.length, or you could have hard coded the number 3 in there. And then we'll say system.out.println str.substring, a single number. Okay, I'm wrong. We don't want to start at 0. We want to start at 2. And we want to say while I is greater than or equal to 0. So there we go. In case you were flummoxed, I was doing the wrong thing. So we're starting at 2 because we want to print the t first. And then, so this we'll do substring with a 2. And then right here, we're going to say I minus minus. And then we'll get substring with a 1. And then we'll get substring with a 0. And then I will be less than 0. And it will not run anymore. So let's watch it happen. There it is. All right. So I went the wrong way for a second, but caught myself. Part 2, write a for loop that prints 1, 4, 7, 10. All right. For, well, there's my phone going off. Pardon me. We're going to start at 1. I mean, there's different ways to do this. I'm just going to make it work. We're going to do this as long as I is less than 11. And we're going to say I plus equals 3. So it's going to go up by 3 every time. It's going to go 1, 4, 7, 10, and then be done. So system.out.print I plus space. Make sure that works. Oh, I can't do int I because I did int I up there. So what I could do is just say I right here since I already had the int I there. Or I could use a different variable besides I. But this is an example of scope. Because I defined the variable I outside of a loop, it's valid for this entire program, not just inside the loop here. But normally when we say int I equals something, then the variable only exists inside of that loop where we created it. But since I created it before that while loop, it's good before the while loop, during the while loop, and after the while loop. That's why I couldn't do another variable called I here. All right, anyway, that's that.